I almost bought Thunder Prompts membership without thinking. And honestly, that would have been a mistake. Because what I discovered after using it for 2 days is something most people won't tell you. So a few days ago, I was deep into researching AI tools, trying to find something that could help me create content faster, improve my affiliate marketing results, and honestly, just make things easier. Because if you're doing YouTube, Instagram, or any online business, you already know content is everything. And it takes time. A lot of time. So when I found Thunder Prompts membership, it felt like the perfect solution. Pre-written prompts done for you, frameworks just copy, paste, and get results, and I thought, this could save me hours every day. But then I remembered something. I've been here before. Buying tools, hoping they'll fix everything. And every single time, the tool wasn't the problem. I didn't have a system. I didn't fully understand what I was doing. So this time, I decided to do something different. Instead of trusting the hype, I tested it. So I logged in. And first impression: clean dashboard, organized categories, lots of prompts. You've got prompts for content creation, marketing, copywriting, ads, social media, and honestly, at this point, I was impressed. Because everything looked structured. And if you're a beginner, that structure feels really helpful. But here's where things started to change. So I picked a few prompts and tested them inside ChatGPT. For example, YouTube script prompts, ad copy prompts, affiliate marketing prompts, and yes, they worked. I got decent scripts, structured outputs, usable content, but then I noticed something. The output wasn't amazing by default. It was just okay. And this is the moment most people don't talk about. The tool gives you a starting point, not a finished result. If you expect copy-paste money, you'll be disappointed. Even if you don't buy this, I'll show you how this method works, so you can apply it yourself. Here's the truth: you can actually do this without the tool. Example: instead of using a paid prompt, you can write a high-converting YouTube script for product, include pros, cons, and honest tone. And you'll get similar output. So what are you paying for? Convenience, speed, structure. Let's make this practical. Let's say you want to make money with affiliate marketing. Here's how Thunder Prompts fits in. Step 1. Pick a product: JVZoo or Digistore24 or ClickBank. Step 2. Use prompts to create YouTube scripts, blog content, ads, emails. Step 3. Publish content. Step 4. Drive traffic. Step 5. Earn commissions. Sounds simple. But here's the catch. Most people fail at step 3. Not because of tools, but because of this. The real problem is, people don't understand content strategy. They think tool equals results, but reality is strategy plus consistency equals results. The tool just helps speed things up. If you're thinking about buying this, avoid these mistakes: buying tools without a plan, expecting instant income, not editing the AI output, copy pasting without understanding. Let's be fair, here's what I liked: saves time, good for beginners. Structured prompts helps overcome writer's block. Here's what you need to know: not a magic solution. Output can feel generic, requires thinking and editing, not needed if you already know prompting. Monthly cost can stack up. This is where most people feel disappointed. Compared to free ChatGPT prompting, other prompt libraries, Thunder Prompts is better for speed, simplicity, worse for advanced customization, unique content. Beginners who want guidance, affiliate marketers, content creators, people who struggle with writing, people expecting passive income overnight, people who won't learn, advanced users, people on a tight budget. So here's my honest opinion: Thunder Prompts is helpful, but not essential. If you already have a strategy, it can save you time. But if you don't, it won't magically fix anything. If you want to check it out, I've left a link in the description. Take your time, go through it, and only buy if it actually makes sense for you. And if you like honest, no BS reviews like this, subscribe, because I'll test more tools like this, so you don't waste your money.